bien joué, bien travaillé, good job, or as we say, chapeau. Chapeau means hat, but in the expression that we use it, it means bravo, it means well done. So congratulations on completing your free French course. I'm so proud of you, and this is just the beginning of a new journey for you, and I'm excited that you're embarking on this. I want to give you a little bit of a background so that you can understand how you can best learn the language. You see, I mentioned to you that I was raised multilingual and that I have a passion for teaching, and especially for teaching languages, and I'm passionate about different cultures as well. You see, in my 15 years of teaching, I've realized that there's a more efficient way than textbook French. There's a more fast way of learning the language that's tailored on learning styles and personalities and what is actually used in French-speaking countries around the world. I did 8 years of intensive research on language learning postgraduate. I have 2 master's degrees, and one of my masters is a master's of education that's specifically in teaching and learning. Well, outside of that education, I did 9 years of research on how to learn a language and how to retain a language. Because it's not just learning a language, it's also being able to use it and maintain it for a lifetime. I even wrote a book on it. That's how passionate I am about mastering a language and not just acquiring it, but actually being able to use it for a lifetime. And for 8 years, I created content to create these courses. You see, learning a language there's a science behind learning a language, and it's not just A, B, C. There's really there's a way that actually works. And so that's why I designed these courses, because I saw that I had success with thousands of students that were able to use the language. Even if they lived in the States or in a different country, they were able to use the language at work, around them. A lot of them were able to travel, but I saw that they were able to master French. And so there's a science behind that, and my courses are all designed using those tips and those tools so that people can learn the language and learn it for a lifetime. I've taught all grades and all levels. So I've taught kids, I'm raising my children multilingual, and I've taught all the way up to college. I've had even learners that were way past in their 70s successfully learn the language. And so I'm so excited to start teaching you. If you're ready to embark on this journey, if you're ready to get started, then you want to dive right in. If you click on the logo, Belle Terre Academy, or you can just click on the French courses, you can get started and pick the right course for you. The French 101 is really a beginner course. If you took this free course because you had no previous knowledge of French, then start with French 101, but there's a bunch of other courses depending on your level, and you can figure that out once you read through the descriptions of each courses. Again, congratulations for finishing the free course, and I'll see you soon. À bientôt!